guys, Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Working on the Buick stuff here today, yesterday, well, every day, I suppose. Just trying to get these fenders ready here. I got, this one's totally ready. I just got to seam seal a few spots. And this is finished in 1200. As you can see here, I got a seam seal like this stuff here a little bit. I'm gonna go around, put a little bead in here, whatever, things like that. Black is done inside, so I got to get that masked up too. Actually, get the insides masked. I still got the other fender to finish sanding the outside here. I just basically got all the edges, all the pain in the ass stuff here, this stuff here. That's all done. So I got to flip this over here and start blocking the outside. So yeah, I block it down and then I finish it with 1200 grit. So I know some of you guys will say, oh, it's too fine, it's not going to stick. Yeah, it sticks. It sticks just fine. So I did that, and I blocked out a bunch of the grill parts yesterday. There's some grills in here and some areas needed to be brushed in by hand to block out some of the inserts. Also the grill for the hood, I did. Got that blocked out, and so that stuff's done. But today we're going to be firing up that old Buick there, so stay tuned for that. That'll be happening probably in a couple hours or so, I would say. Depending when time Norm gets here, probably be right around lunchtime or shortly after or something like that. I'm just going around making sure everything is 100% because we don't want to have to shut it off once this thing is running. So I don't see any leaks still so far, and all I got to do now is put some fuel in the tank and crank this sucker over. So that's about it. I'm just going to post this real quick, and then you guys can stay tuned. I'll probably post a little video of it running on my Facebook page later tonight or something like that, or even on my YouTube channel there I'll have something also. So check it out, guys, and come back later to check out the video of it running. Alright, have a good day. Hey guys, it's running. Sounds good too. Oh yeah, baby cakes. Something. Stop, guys. Got it on the second run cycle here. So far, so good. So far, no issues. Everything's going pretty smooth. Got a few more minutes here and then we'll idle it down and then set the timing, and then probably do another heat cycle later on today. But right now everything's going really good. Cross our fingers, eh? Thanks to Norm. My buddy Norm over there, he's awesome. The brake lights are on because my switch ain't adjusted quite properly. But there it is. She's a running beast. Another step in the right direction. Alright guys, I'll do another video here in a bit. Hey guys, how's it going? Back here, just with a little quieter now, we can hear everything. Nothing's running, but engine runs really good. The paint's turning a little bit, changing the color on that paint. Real good engine paint, eh? Anyways, everything runs good. Didn't have any problems. Cycled it a couple times. It's timed for now. It'll probably change a little later on. Might have to time it again. I'm gonna, later on here. But anyways, the only problem we had was just this bolt here leaking a little bit, slight bit of coolant here. I'm gonna have to reseal that one. And I gotta flush out the engine because there's a bunch of crap in there from couldn't get out from the tank and from the heat tank, the tank where when they clean the blocks and stuff. So now it's getting hot, it's probably loosening up a bit, and I'm gonna flush that out, try and get some of that gunk out of there. But other than that, it runs like a dream. So that was a good day anyways for that. That was pretty awesome. So far we don't have any issues with anything. I mean, you never know what happens when you're running one of these things for the first time with a flat tappet cam. It's always a worry, that you're going to take the lobes off. But so far, so good. We'll run it up a few more times here in the next couple days, and then it should be pretty good after that. I got a couple heat sensors to put in here for the temperature, but exhaust temperatures looked like they were pretty consistent all the way around. So everything seems pretty good. The fuel gauge don't seem to work. I think there's still some little bit of electrical I got to do under the dash there, but so I got to get that buttoned up, and then the guy can start closing this thing off here. Get this thing closed off. Get the glass in here, and got to get this thing done here now. Once I get the windshields in there, that'll be nice, because I want to be able to button up that interior. Still waiting on a few parts. I need a glass and whatever, but I guess I'll do what I can in the meantime and get these fenders on, and I still got quite a bit to do here. I got to get those fenders painted, get the fenders on, and then get the bumper on, and then I can start working on that beast of a hood there. So that'll be kind of nice. So we're getting kind of to the end here with the sheet metal finally. So there you have it. Again, runs like a dream. No knocking and pinging and ticking and all that kind of stuff. Sounds real good. Exhaust sounds good. It's not irritating. It's not super loud because, it's a little bit of a cruiser. You don't want to have some irritation, kind of a noise, resonating through the car on a highway kind of thing. The sound is actually just right. I don't know how much of it picks up on the video that I did there, but yeah, it sounds really good. So it's got a bit of a rumble, but not too much, It's not a muscle car. Even the motor, it's all stock. It's a 455, but it's all stock. There's nothing done to it other than the carb in the intake. So yeah, so that's it. It's been a good day, and I'm going to get this posted up tonight here so you guys can have something to look at. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Share, like, and subscribe, eh? Don't forget. All right. Hey, I'm back again here. Probably getting tired of me by now. Just a couple things. I just flushed out the rad here a couple times, or the whole engine here a couple times already. I'm going to do it one more time in the morning. I don't want to start the engine, and I want to get it up to temperature when I run it, so I'm going to let it cool down and start it in the morning, let it get hot again, and then I'll flush it again, and then it should be good. But yeah, I thought it was the bolt leaking here. It's not. It was the valve cover leaking underneath here, dripping down. And so that's a nothing deal there, so I'm all good to go there. And then I added the, there's another sending unit back there, see, on the back of the head. I forgot to put that on before, so that's on now, just like here. These work kind of in conjunction with each other. One does one thing, one turns the light on the dash, so it's whatever. Anyway, so that's done, and I got to adjust the high idle there. A little bit of tweaking on the car, but it's super smooth. Really super smooth. This thing starts so good. So that's about it. I just wanted to add that to the video, and it'll be time to go home soon here. It's like 5 to 6. I'm gonna a couple more things, and then I think I'm gonna call it a day here for today. But all right, guys, I'm gonna call that a day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. All right, bye.